Hey guys, it's me Sumedha and I'm going to show you how to make a multipurpose calculator. So let's start. We'll go to Google Chrome and then I'll choose my account and then we'll search code.org and then sign in. Continue with Google. And then we're gonna make an app, so that's why app. Then we'll make it somewhat bigger. Rename it multipurpose. Okay. After that we will just calculate. Save. Then design. Name the screen as home screen. Home screen. And add button, image and label. Okay. Make it bigger. Okay, level multi. Okay, and here multipurpose calculator. Whatever it. And make it center, font size 20, make bigger 25, okay, 27, oh, 25, yeah, this is good, make it some small, and I'll change the font family to comic, yeah. And I'll change the colors later. Okay, let me choose 31. No, it's not nice. I choose coral reef, and now we'll make the image bigger, smaller, and all things. Okay, then I'll choose an image, upload file from desktop, multipurpose. I've downloaded it before only from Google. And in the button, we will name it, yeah, start button, button start, and then it will here start also. And then we will add one more screen, new screen, okay? We can add screen like this also, let me show you. Okay, later I will show you. So today we'll do the design part, half of the design part because it's so big. I don't think that I'll do half or full, I don't know that. Okay, let's start. How much we can do, we'll do today, and then I'll upload to the next video. I'll show you in the next video the other ones, the left over. And we'll name screen to as Celsius and Fahrenheit. So because we are going to do a convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius, that's why. Okay, C and F. Okay. Let me change it to and then we'll add text input two text inputs, two labels, two labels, yeah, one more labels, yes, no, sorry, we'll just remove the labels, add buttons, two buttons and three, okay. Now first we'll adjust like this, okay. C, okay, so yes, make it bigger, center, font size 17 or 19, 20, yeah, and this is, yeah, here write F, right. Same here, I knew it, okay. And I'll change this also, Celsius. Okay, let's change it to the text arrangement to center, font size 20, yeah, and now the buttons. Okay, we'll make the buttons longer, like this, okay, now, yeah. Okay, this button should be calculate cell to alpha, and this one should be okay. Now this button should be calculate Celsius to Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, we need it bigger. Now it's like this one should be neat. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's nice. Name to font size 20. Same thing, just I'll just copy paste it here. Oh, calculate Celsius and I'll make it 20 and make it somewhat. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Oh, copy it and I'll just remove this and what? Now calculate to Celsius. Calculate Celsius. Okay, wait. Calculate Fahrenheit to Celsius. Oh, finally done. Celsius. Oh, Celsius. Celsius. Okay. Button 3. Yeah. Now button should be, there should be icons. It should not be button. Yeah, button. No. Here we'll put an image. It should be smaller. Okay, wait. I'll choose image from icons and we'll choose a home image. Yeah, done. Okay, so our two are done. I think I made only one screen more or half more screen. Okay, so now we'll calculate, means we'll do to kmph to mph, okay, miles and kilometers. Okay. Now, okay, I'm gonna show you how to add screens another way. We can add screens like clicking on the new screen also, and we can add screens. But here is a screen in the design toolbox. Okay, we'll just drag it and drop it here. So see, it's another screen. And you can change it. I'll change it to Betty Patch. I think no, not good. I'll change it to millennium. Yeah, this one good. KMPH to MPH. KMPH to KMPH and MPH screen. Here we will add the same things, text input, and buttons, and then again an image. Okay, we'll make the image. Okay. Oh, it should be here and it should be here. Yeah. Okay, we have to do fast. I just show you the two. Okay, placeholder should be kilometer to. Wait, what's up? I got it. Okay, kilometer ph, and we'll name it miles ph. Okay, and now name it kmph and we'll name it mph. Yeah, and now like the selection centers 20. And this one also text alignment center and 20. Huh? Okay, got it. 2. And this one should be, font size should be 20. So this is it, and in the next video I'll show you more the designing, because it's so big it will take many time, a big time. So bye bye, take care, have a good day.